cliffs of Eden's shore, where the southern breakers roar. Twofold Bay in morning blue holds the tales the sea once knew. 120 feet of oak, cut from hills where gum trees smoke. Canvas spread on the dawn's first breeze, hauling wool across the seas. Willers calling through the mist, the iron spear, the clenched up fist. 130 feet with hearts aflame, and killer whales that earned their name. Quarantine Bay, shelter me from storm and sorrow, set me free from every death and every hope. You keep their stories, young and old. Then one dark ship came limping in, smallpox ghosts on a whispering wind. Too many gone, no prayers to save, they sleep in your forgotten grave. 200 feet of iron pride, smoking thunder down the tide, carrying hope on a world grown small, progress pounding proud and tall. Quarantine Bay, shelter me from storm and sorrow, set me free from every mast and every shore. Your silence tells the tales once more. Seven 70 feet of steel, grinding slow on a timbered keel. Wood chips bound for foreign hands, Eden's forest, distant lands. 100-foot boats in a working tide, tuna packed for the army side. Navy cutters in the dawn's first light, keep the coast through the southern night. Now 1,000 feet of dreams appear, 3,000 souls with cameras clear. Eden smiles, the town stands still, watching giants meet the hill. Quarantine Bay, shelter me from storm and sorrow, memory free from every ship and every hope. Your waters whisper tales of old. So when the tide turns low and slow, and the moon lays silver glow, from oak to steel, from sail to gold, Quarantine Bay, your tales retold.